Second snowstorm of 2020-22. No road cleaning. Driving in second snowstorm of 2022, January 16th. miles an hour. Road conditions are poor. Angry drive in a hurry to reach the heavens. Those are the three plows on that side. They're cleaning the road, salting. Plowing and salting on the other side of the road. This side has not been plowed or salted. the hill, slow down. 15 miles an hour. Look, the side road has been plowed. It is slush. Very slippery. Black ice underneath. Avoid brakes as much as possible. But if you're going down the hill, you have to slow down the car by applying brakes. Try not to apply brakes when you turn. This is safe distance. Ooh la la! Horrible road conditions. We're going to go down the hill now. You have to be slow, driving at less than 10 miles an hour. Down the hill. Narrow road, passing through the jungle. And going down the hill. Down the hill with a little curve. So, apply as little possible brakes. Ooh la la, look. It's sliding, it's black ice. Look how the car is moving left and right. Ooh, slipping, the tires are slipping. Tires are slipping. Going up the hill. The tires are really slipping bad because it is black ice under this uncleaned road. The car in front of me, truck, is also slipping. You can tell the tires are slipping. We are going at 5 miles an hour. It is not pretty. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. I'm just following the tire marks of the car in front of me, truck in front of me. That truck, the tires are slipping, mine are slipping because the snow on the tires have frozen into ice, and the road below the snow is black ice. So the tires are slipping continuously. Temperature outside is 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. The roads have not been cleaned at all. then right at the bottom is the stop sign. Dirty conditioning is bad. Extreme poor road conditions. Going to be tough. Snow is so dry and so light with the wind. The snow from the rooftop was blowing away. Now the tricky part comes again. It's going up the hill and then going down the hill. Create a little distance from the front car. Pass through on both sides there's a ditch kind of on both sides of the road going down the hill. And look, you can see the cars have slipped over here. Sometimes it's better to drive not on the track, but between the tracks, because then you are creating your own tracks and chances are that you may not slip. So then particularly when you're going slow down the hill, keeping appropriate distance is really important. Look, it's both sides is down the hill, ditch. So you have to be very careful, particularly in these kind of circumstances. This is a country road. Look, slippage. People have gone roundy over here. Somebody must have applied some brakes. You can tell. Look how. Look how. Yeah. Over here. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. It is going. Look, you can tell. It went off the road. Some car. Oh, I'm going. Somebody was making some. Went right and left over here. Look, you can tell by the track marks. Look, it's. Somebody slipped real bad. They must be applying brakes or something. Appropriate distance is important. This is 20 miles turn on this road, crossing the bridge. So I'm already going at about 10 miles. I'm going to slow down a little more before I reach the bridge area. My distance between that car and truck and my car is decreasing. So I'm applying a little brake here and there. So I don't have to apply brake when I'm turning. Look, that car or truck did not apply brake when it was turning. It was applying brake before, but you do not apply brakes on the turn. Look, there's just somebody slipped over here real bad. You can tell by the tracks on the road. And going up the hill, up the road. The tires are spinning up the hill. Ooh la, let's clean the. Jungle mein mangal. Hill on this side. Up the hill, and it's turning and going down the hill. Or down the hill it goes. Down the hill it goes. Wa-ba-ba, wa-ba-ba, wa-ba-ba. Ooh la la, don't. It's going too fast. It's going down the hill too fast. I'm trying to apply some brakes. Keep the distance. Keep constant distance, safe distance from the front truck. Okay, let's see. Another bridge is coming. A turn. Jungle, going through the jungle. This is the bamboo forest. This is the real forest. Going through the forest road. No, this is not bad actually. There hasn't been much traffic before it passed through here, so the snow, if there is thick layer of snow above the black ice, it doesn't cause your car to slip. So the car is going fine now, but look, somebody has flipped over here. It went round and round over here. Yeah. Don't apply brakes, you'll be fine. Going up the hill is tough. It's tough. Ooh, the car is slipping. Let's hope it will go up the hill. So even though you're going up the hill, if you have a momentum and speed, you can keep on going at a pretty steep hill. But if your momentum is broken, then chances are that your car is going to slip. So the key when you're going up the hill is to keep the momentum.